Hi, my name is Serena and welcome to my YouTube channel, Rena Rocks. As you see, monetization. What I'm going to talk about today. So join me as we talk about this, and what I want to do is just break down the numbers. Okay, so first of all, for YouTube to be monetized, you need 4,000 watch hours, that, and you need 1,000 subscribers. Okay, when I first saw this, I didn't pay close attention. I just saw the 4,000, and when I hit like 2,000 minutes, I'm like, oh my goodness, I'm halfway there. No, I made a mistake. It's 4,000 watch hours. So what you have to do, let's do 4,000 times, there are 60 minutes an hour, times 60. Do you see that? 240,000 minutes. So you need 240,000 minutes. At first I was like, okay, I can do that. And then I was like, you know what? That's a lot of minutes. And it's going to take a lot of time. But it's all in how often you put out videos, how long are your videos. If your videos are 15 minutes, if your videos are 10 minutes, maybe you need to put out more videos. If your videos are 30 minutes, then you might be able to put out less videos and more people watch your videos. Okay, so what I wanted to do to break it down to see if I was ahead or behind. First of all, I'm nowhere near 1,000 subscribers. Nowhere near it. But that's okay. Right now, I am filming YouTube videos. I do it, I film what I like, when I want. I would like to be monetized one day, but I'm not putting a lot of stress on myself. I'm just going with the flow. So if I want to fix my printer or make some stickers on my silhouette portrait, I may film that as I enjoy doing it, or a playing with me or a cooking video. So I just do what I like, and I try not to worry about these. So about the numbers, because once you see, I'm gonna break it down for you. Okay, so you need 240,000 minutes. So let's break that down into, let's just say how many minutes a month. If you want to stay on track and you do it, if you're that type of person, so let's just say 240,000 minutes, and I hope you can see that well. 40,000 minutes, and let's divide that by 12 months. So you need 20,000 a month. So let's just do that so you'll know. Divided by 12 months equals, you need 20,000 minutes a month. Or if you want to do it differently, let's break it down by weeks. So let's do 240,000 divided by, there's 52 weeks in a year. So this is what you will need every week. This is months. So let's just do 240,000 divided by 52 weeks. You need 4,615.38. You know, them seconds add up. Okay, so that's how many minutes you may need. And it may just depend on how many videos. So let's just say I wanted to put out one video a month, and I wanted to stay on a certain track. So that means that one video, depending on how long it is, okay, so let's just say that one video is only 1 minute, then I would need 20,000 views to get 20,000 minutes. So you have to think about how long your video is too. That plays a part in it. So normally, let's just say I put out a video And my video is 15 minutes long, but it has over, I have one video that's about 50, and maybe it has over times maybe 400 views. So let's just say one video, and it's 15 minutes times 400 views. So you can kind of calculate and kind of see where you are, how many videos you make. If you always make videos that are 15 minutes, then you might say, okay, I need so many views a month in order to make my quota. So let's just say one video, I put out one video a week or a month or whatever. 15 minutes times 400 views. So that's 15 minutes times 400 views. So that means for that one video, and maybe you got 400 views in a month. Let's just say 1 month. I got 6. This is for 1 month. I got 6,000 views. Okay, so that's just one video, and I need 20,000 as my goal, and I only put out one. So let's just say that month I put out one video a week, and each video, let's just say another video, same 15 minutes, because that's kind of like not too long, not too short. That's why I say between 10 and 15, 20 minutes, not too long, not too short. And let's just say this only got 300 views. So we have that. So let's just say we did 4 a month. You did 1 a week. Because, you know, sometimes you don't want to stress yourself out, or if you can do more videos a week, then fine. Let's keep it at 15 minutes, and I'm just going to put this one as 10 minutes. Times, let's just say you only, for that video, you only got 30 views. The public was not feeling that video. And for this 10-minute one, you might have went back up to maybe 150. So this only 450 minutes. Okay, yeah. 1,500. And I'm just, so you know it's accurate. You won't be like, oh, I don't know about her math. You see it on the calculator. Plus 4,500. So let's add all these up. Plus 450. Oh, let me start over. 6,000. Plus 4,500 plus 450 plus 1,500. Okay, so for this month, that still only gave me 12,450. Okay, so when you see these numbers, let's just say after the first week, you see, okay, that video, it only got 30 views, only got 400 views. Then you know that you need to maybe put out more videos that month. So if your videos are only getting, now this is good, if you get 400 views every time you put out a video, you're doing good. But let's just say your videos are always only getting 30 views, then you're only, and they're about 15 minutes long. And then let's just say this, we all know that if your video is 15 minutes, that doesn't mean they're gonna watch your video for 15 minutes. They might skim through it and watch it for 5 or watch it for 2. So you have to take into account that. So it stands to reason, if you got a 15-minute video, they may watch 5 minutes or 10 minutes. So take that into consideration. So if you're always getting 30 views and you know that's about 450, then you are going to need to crank out the videos. You might need to do, maybe to get this, okay, so let's just say your quota for the week, let's just say for 1 week is 4,615 minutes. 4,615 minutes divided by, and you only get 30, okay, 30 views now. That means you need to put out 10 videos. If you're averaging only 30 views, if you want to make this quota for the week. I hope that makes sense. and I'm kind of writing kind of crooked. So then, and it equals 450 views, and this is if they watch it for the full 15 minutes, and you want to make your goal for that week of 4,615 minutes, give or take a few. Then you need to put out, it says 10.25, so let's just go ahead and say 11 videos. You need to put out 11 videos that week. Do you see my problem? Do you see why it's going to take me a little longer to become monetized? Because some of my videos might have, they don't even have 30 views. It might not be that it's not a good video, or you did a cute spread, or it was a great recipe. It might not have nothing to do with that. It might have to do with the tags you have with it, and where does YouTube put it. If they put your video at like the 150th place, and people have already, it's not at the top, then people aren't going to see it, which means you're going to have less views. If your video is at the top of the list, as soon as they type in those words, playing with me, July spread, and yours pops up, of course, if yours is the first one that pops up, or the first 10 or 15, you're going to get a lot of views. So also your wording and your tags is very important. And if you put like playing with me, or best spread, or favorite spread, or bright colors, or just those kind of things, tags help with getting for the search engine, getting your videos put up higher on the list so people can see them. So you might have good videos, so don't feel bad if you only have 2 views on your video. It's not that necessarily people don't want to watch it, it's just that YouTube has put it at the 500th spot, and so nobody is scrolling down to get to it. So I just want to share that quick tip with you, just about being monetized. I'm working on it, but not working on it. So sometimes I track my minutes, and I see how many I have, and then other times I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna say this: 240,000 minutes is no joke, especially when maybe you don't have the time to invest. And I guess that's the way YouTube wants it. If you don't have the time to invest and put out these videos, then they're like, okay, this is a hobby, you're not trying to make money. So, and right now we have an Etsy shop, Looks Clever Crafts Etsy shop. So at first I was up on making my videos for YouTube, but then when we started this Etsy shop, me and the other YouTuber Crystal Clear Ideas, then making videos kind of took a little bit of a backseat. So sometimes you just have to prioritize. But I hope this helped you. And please, if you're doing this, and let's just say you're stressed about it, and you want to figure out, okay, am I going to make my hours in the 12 months? Break down the numbers, so you either at least, okay, you realize, okay, there's no way I can make this. I've got like a month left, and I need 140,000 views. Unless you put out the bomb video, then don't stress about it. Just take your time and just enjoy making videos. Or this could actually help you say, okay, you know what, I got 4 months. I'm not that far away. If I just add maybe 2 more videos a week, if you do the numbers, then okay, I normally get 400 views, or I normally get 600 views for each video. So if I just increase my videos to maybe 2 a week or 3 a week, then I can make that quota before the 1 year's up. So, and subscribers, I would say use Instagram, do tags, comment on other people's, watch other people's videos and comment and let them know that you're interested in what they have, and they may show that they're interested in what you have. Partner up, do collabs on other videos that you like. Maybe switch things up. Maybe your videos may seem a little stale, or kind of, they need a little spice, so maybe add different music, change the location, change the lighting. Just do, but in all, do you, be yourself. So I hope this helps. And it's just something real simple I thought of, because what I basically I did it for myself and realized where I was in the being monetized, and I realized, okay, boo boo, you're not gonna make it. And so now I'm not even gonna stress about it. I'm just gonna, like you say, enjoy YouTube. So I hope this video helps. I don't know if you'll see it, because you know the way YouTube goes, this one might be in the 1,000 spot, so it might be so far down the line that you don't even see it. But you know, it is what it is. So have a great day. Thanks for joining me. Serena, YouTube channel Rena Rocks, Etsy shop, and have a great day, and always shine bright.